What a day, what a day. It's not often that we have the opportunity to offer such a beautiful truck. Now, if you've been around these trucks, you'll absolutely understand why this is such an exceptional example. I can hardly contain my enthusiasm as I daily drive a 56 F100, and that truck dreams to be this truck when it grows up. So we'll go into depth on the build. This is a pretty fresh build, only 1,800 miles since it was assembled. And the person that had this also had a 32 Ford, which you'll see here in another moment or two on one of our other videos. But this truck is very special indeed. So just a quick glimpse, but the true surprise, watch out, is what's under the hood. A Chrysler 392 Hemi that just runs amazing, perfectly tuned. But the number of hours that went into the paint on this truck, I can only imagine. So I hope it shows just as well as it is here as I'm standing in front of it. So 56, obviously the only year for the wraparound windshield. So we'll go through, see the 265 series 15-inch wheels. This paint does not lie. So the wooden bed. You'll see the mini tub to allow those 8-inch wide wheels in the back. Also, you'll notice the hidden latches here, just like a mirror. This truck. Flowmaster Magnaflow exhaust here in the back, roll pan, LED brake lights. Again, this truck presents as absolutely fresh. 9-inch rear with disc brakes all the way around. Again, trying to take my time so you can take in just how phenomenal the paint body is on this truck. Not only are the paint and body done so well, this truck is 100% sorted out, meaning we couldn't find anything that needs to be dialed in or redone mechanically. Look at the beautiful gaps. A lot of people think these step plates are a Ford issue, but no, that's an aftermarket addition to the steps. That way it doesn't scar the paint as you're entering or exiting. These doors just open and close like butter. Inside you'll see Dolphin gauges, I did it tilt column, air conditioning, a lot of polished aluminum. The carpet is got the heel pad there also. I put these mats on just to prevent me tracking any dirt. Again, I don't know that if every nut and bolt on this truck hasn't been touched, and boy does it show. Bench seat, fuel tank back here, also a little net, extra hubcap in case you lose one. Not that that's ever happened before. Small back window. Nice headliner. Leather, everything's leather inside. I'm gonna do front tires, 205 70 15. Chrome grille, blue dot headlights. Clear turn signals. A lot of people put the clear turn signals opposed to the amber. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Look at that. Actually made it this time. Hemi powered. Now, if you don't like this lacquer thinner should be able to come off, but you can also remove this panel easily for a repaint. I kind of like it. There's the 392 Hemi. And typically when people street rod a truck like this, they put that style engine, they kind of forget everything else. They don't do four-wheel disc brakes or power steering or air conditioning. I mean, who would have thought air conditioning? But yeah, and it works perfect. 4-barrel carburetor. Whole truck's been rewired. See a spow fan there, a puller. This truck was clearly painted in pieces, then reassembled. Beautiful firewall is here. Electric wipers. Under the hood, just again, is nice. You'll see, you'll love the way this truck starts. Just touch the key. Every time. Every time. Electric fan just kicked on. I drove it maybe 20 minutes ago. You see the power windows here. Fast and easy. These are added, these pull handles. People commonly use the door handles as a closer, which additional wear and tear cause those handles to strip out. I say we take this truck for a spin. What do you say? Give me just a moment. We'll switch gears. Take this 56 for a ride. Okay, here we are in the cab of this 56 Ford truck with a 392 Hemi. Let's go for a ride. I love the way this truck starts. See a tachometer functioning there as well. Again, thank you for joining us here at Auto World of Conway. We always have good cars for good people. thanks for riding along, and hope you enjoyed the video.